So, Lexus just dropped a bombshell at the Japan Mobility Show, and let me tell you, this could change everything in the automotive world. The legendary Lexus LFA is back, but with a twist you won't see coming. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why this all-electric sports car is making waves. And wait until you hear what they're planning for 2026. Just announced, Lexus has unveiled the LFA Concept, a fully electric sports car that's not only a nod to its iconic predecessor but also a giant leap into the future. Imagine the raw power of the original LFA's V10, now replaced with cutting-edge electric technology that promises to redefine performance. But here's where things get really interesting. This LFA isn't just a standalone marvel. It's part of a revolutionary development alongside Toyota Gazoo Racing's GR-GT and GR-GT3. Now, get this. The LFA Concept is built on an all-aluminum space frame, enhancing rigidity and keeping weight down. This means we're talking about a car that's not just fast but incredibly agile, thanks to its low center of gravity. Rumor has it, Toyota's making serious strides with solid-state batteries, potentially debuting this tech in the LFA. Imagine the impact on range and charging times. But don't get your hopes up for a price drop. These features come at a premium. The LFA Concept is all about combining race-inspired dynamics with a design that's both sensual and timeless. Let's zoom out and look at the bigger picture. This move by Lexus is more than just about one car. It's a statement about the future of the automotive industry. As the world shifts towards electrification, Lexus is not just keeping up, they're setting the pace. This could be the beginning of a new era where electric vehicles aren't just eco-friendly but also thrilling to drive. And here's my bold prediction. This LFA Concept could be the blueprint for future performance EVs. So, what do you think? Is Lexus on the right track with this all-electric LFA? Or do you think they should have stuck with the combustion engine? Drop a comment telling me which specific detail impressed you most. And don't forget to hit subscribe because next week I'm breaking down the latest from Toyota's GR-GT series. You won't want to miss it.